Hi everybody, we just got off the jitney. We were coming from Hard Rock on the boardwalk. Now again we were on the marina side. You can see Harris in the background there. And we are at Bogarta. So let's go in. This is the entrance that you would come in if you were to take a jitney. So I'm going to go straight and show you where the check-in is. Bell desk. There's some eateries here, the signs. Kind of bummed. We were supposed to come here today for the buffet, but when I looked at the hours, it said it was temporary closed. They are closed for the winter time for a week, and this is it. But yesterday, when I looked at the hours, it was open. So I don't know. So let's look over here. I see a beautiful Christmas tree. Looks like a poker table, but we can fill the tree. No problem. This is bread and butter. Yummy Vintage, which is right across. And it looks like you can buy wine if you're staying here. Very pretty. Let's see. There's sandwiches and the Christmas tree with bottles. Angeline. I'm going to guess that is Italian, but right now it doesn't look like it might be open because it's probably too early. Let's look at the menu. Pasta, yes, it is Italian. We're going to have to come back when it is open. Right in front of the box office. So let's see who's coming. Christmas in concert. Jimmy Carr, Tom Papa. Okay, that looks like a lot of fun. Okay, I just got stopped by security, so I have to do this really quick. This is the buffet. And it's a bummer because it's closed today. Look at this, it's closed. But we will be back. Okay, this is called the Metropolitan. It's right across from the buffet. Here we go. This is beautiful. I don't know how much that I have recorded here, because everybody keeps following me around saying you can't record. So I'm just trying to pretend I'm taking pictures. Here is the Bogarta store. Oh, I remember these when I was a kid. Here is Starbucks, old friends and new traditions, lattes and laughter, starry nights and twinkling lights, merry and bright. We're right across from the lobby. What a beautiful area. I just don't want to get caught. Oh, look at all of the different Rudolphs and the Dashes and Prances. This is when you first come into the casino. Christmas trees. Going around. Starting this way you check in with the bell desk. And we just got dropped off by the Uber, and look at the sunset. Okay, off to fly home to Orlando. Thank you for joining us with our trip. Please, if there's any suggestions, comments, please let me know. And thank you again. All right. See you in a little bit.